بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے۔
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق۔
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا۔
خلق الانسان من علق۔
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی۔
اقرأ وربک الاکرم۔
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے۔
الذی علم بالقلم۔
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا۔
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم۔
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا۔
Assalamu alaikum dear students. We start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. Welcome to all students to our new academic session 2020 to 21. This is class 6 and I am your English language text teacher and the period is English language text. Today I am here to teach you this book Step Ahead 1 and the authors of this book is Robin Mann and Heather Jones. First of all I will introduce you the copy maintenance work. Firstly, fill up the cover page of your copy. Then you have to fill up the first page of your copy. Then you have to maintain the index by writing first semester midterm started and week 1, unit 1 instructions. Then you have to make the first title page of first semester midterm started academic session 2020 to 21. And the next title page of unit 1 week 1 instructions. Now students, we are going to start the explanation of our first unit instructions. In this unit we will study about instructions. What are instructions? Instructions are common in our daily life. Instructions are common in our daily life. Mostly children at home hear instructions by their parents and students at the school hear instruction by their teachers. So instructions are common in our daily life. According to your book definition, instructions are a list of directions that tell us how to complete an activity or task. In order to complete any activity or task, we must know the instructions. Okay. Why are instructions given? And why we should follow instructions? Students, if we want to perform any activity, if we want to complete a particular task, we should know the proper instructions for it. We should follow the proper instructions to complete that task. If we do not know the proper instructions, we cannot complete our task. So this is why we need instructions and we should follow the instructions properly to complete any activity or to perform any task properly. For example, if someone wants to cook pasta or spaghetti, he should know the proper steps of cooking that pasta or spaghetti. If someone wants to log on to the internet, he should know the proper steps of logging on to the internet. Now, instructions are very helpful to us. Instructions can be given in a written form as well. For this we have some features of instructions. We have some structural features and some grammatical features. What are the structural features of instructions? The first one is title. Heading. List of requirements. Clear sequence of steps. An expected outcome. Then we have the grammatical features as well. And what are the grammatical features? The first is simple language, simple sentences, verbs, imperatives, use of the pronoun you, so in order to understand these structural features and grammatical features, I have the written example. I will give you the example which help us to understand these structural and grammatical features. What you need? A small pot, soil, seeds, water. What you do? Firstly, in order to plant a sunflower seed, what you do? Firstly, fill the pot. Fill the pot with soil. Then add a little water. Add a little water into the soil. Carefully add some seeds onto the soil. Then pour some water onto the soil. result. Within a week, you will observe that a sunflower plant is growing. Also, we have the top tip. Water the soil every day to help your plant grow. Now students, this is the written example how to plant a sunflower seed. As you can see, there are so many headings. How to plant a sunflower seed, what you need, what you do, top tip, result. These headings, the first heading is the title. As you can see, there are the structural features. These are the structural features of instructions. So here you can see the first structural feature title, how to plant a sunflower seed. What you need, what you do, result. Top tip. These are the other subheadings which tell us what to expect from the text. Means these headings are guiding us to follow the steps sequentially. पहले हमें क्या चाहिए? What you need, what you do. हमें क्या follow करना है steps को? अगर हम इन steps को sequentially follow करेंगे तो हमें क्या result मिलेगा? These headings are guiding us. So what you need is the list of requirements. The third feature, list of requirements. What you need: a small pot, soil, seeds, water. These are the list of requirements. Then what you do? What you do is telling us the third feature, sequence of a step. Firstly, fill the pot with soil. The first step to follow. Then add a little water. Sequence में steps को follow करना है. पहले pot में fill करना है soil को. Then उसमें little water add करना है. Carefully add some seeds. Then उसमें seeds add करने हैं. Then pour some water onto the soil. Then उसमें pour करना है water को soil में. If we will follow these steps sequentially, then within a week you will observe that a sunflower plant is growing. Within a week हम क्या observe करते हैं कि हमारा plant, sunflower plant grow हो जाएगा. And here is the top tip, which is water the soil every day to help your plant grow. So these are the structural features. Now we have the grammatical features as well. We can see in these sentences we are using the simple language to give the instructions. Fill the pot with soil, add a little water. These sentences are giving in a simple language. Now the second grammatical feature is verbs. You can observe the use of verb: fill, add, pour. These are all the verbs. These are which is our grammatical feature. After verbs, we have imperatives, the use of imperatives. In these sentences, you can observe the sentence, fill the pot with soil, add a little water. These sentences which are begin from verbs, these are the imperative sentences. Fill the pot with soil, add a little water, add some seeds, and pour some water. In grammatical features, we have the usage of simple language. Then we have verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. So in this written example, you observe these words: fill, add, pour. So these words are telling us the performing of action. fill, add, pour. These are the action words. So these are verbs. Then we have another grammatical feature, imperatives. Those sentences which start from the verbs, which begin from the verbs, are the imperative sentences. Fill the pot with soil, add a little water, add some seeds, and pour some water onto the soil. These are the imperative sentences. The last grammatical feature is the use of pronoun. Whenever we deliver the instructions, we also use the pronoun you. By using pronoun you, we give instructions. As you fill the pot, you add a little water, you add some seeds. What you do? These are the instructions which can be given by using the pronoun you as well. As you fill the pot, you add a little water, you add some seeds. After these features, we have the reflecting in your book, page 2. After preview, these are the questions of reflecting. You will study the preview page and you will study the reflecting page as well, and you will answer the questions of reflecting by yourself. Okay, this is your content and this is the work of week 1. All the work is present in this content. You have to copy this work on page 1 and page 2. You will copy it in your even copy. You have to maintain the index properly. You have to make the title page properly. Okay. In our next class, we will start the extract, the witches. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.